Have you ever wondered if there's some bizarre website out there that actually pays you real money? Like, is that even possible or just another internet scam? Well, I found one that claims you can earn up to $1,000 a month just by using it. And no, it's not one of those sketchy click ads for cash deals. Stay until the end because I'll show you exactly how much I made. And trust me, you don't want to miss the surprising catch that could cost you big time. Okay, so I was casually scrolling through Reddit instead of cleaning my kitchen like a responsible adult, and I stumbled upon a thread titled, "This weird website pays me $1,000 a month doing almost nothing." Naturally, my skeptical self thought, yeah, right, probably another sign up and get riches scheme. But curiosity got the better of me, and let's be honest, who wouldn't click on that? The website is called usertesting.com. Basically, companies pay people like you and me to test websites and apps, then give honest feedback. Sounds simple enough, right? They claim you can make up to $10 per 20-minute test, and some specialized tests pay even more, like $60 for an hour-long session. I was thinking, wait, so you're telling me I can get paid to complain about websites? Sign me up! So I signed up. It was free, big green flag, and took about 10 minutes. You just fill out some basic info and take a sample test to prove you can follow instructions, which, let me tell you, was weirdly nerve-wracking. I mean, what if I failed the test for talking too much about my cat? Spoiler, I didn't, but Muffin was almost a guest star. After passing, I waited. And waited. Then, boom, I got my first test invite. It was like getting a text from a friend. If that friend was offering you free money. The test was super straightforward. Navigate a website, speak your thoughts out loud, and answer a few questions. 10 minutes later, cha-ching, $10 in my account. I thought, this is it. I've peaked. Over the next week, I did around 15 tests. Not gonna lie, some were easy. Like, Yang, click this button. What do you think? And others were weird. One test asked me to describe how a website made me feel. Confused? Hungry? Existentially aware? But hey, I gave them my honest feedback and took the money. Now, the $1,000,000, or rather $1,000 question, can you really make $1,000 a month doing this? Technically, yes, but it's not as easy as just sitting there refreshing your inbox. Tests come based on your demographic info and competition is fierce. If you see an invite and don't grab it within seconds, bye-bye $10. Imagine trying to catch a $10 bill blowing away in the wind. That's what it feels like. That said, if you're quick and lucky, you could snag several tests a day. Realistically, I made about $250 in 2 weeks without going crazy, and I wasn't glued to my computer. Some people on forums claim they hit the $1,000 mark by combining it with other user testing platforms. Is it a full-time job? Definitely not. But a few $100 for talking about websites while lounging in sweatpants? I'll take it. But here's the catch, and this is what nobody tells you. Not all tests pay the same, and some companies are, let's say, extra with their requirements. I had one test that wanted me to download an app, register, and fill out a 15-minute survey for $5. Yeah, no thanks. Plus, your acceptance rate matters. If you rush through tests or don't follow instructions, they'll ghost you faster than your high school crush. So is usertesting.com legit? 100%. I got paid through PayPal exactly 7 days after completing each test. No hoops, no drama. But is it an effortless goldmine? Not exactly. It's more like a digital side hustle that pays surprisingly well if you treat it right. So, to wrap this up, we explored what usertesting.com is and how it works. I showed you how much I actually made. Spoiler, not millionaire money, but solid side cash. And we talked about the sneaky catch that can cost you time if you're not careful. Bottom line, if you've got a little free time, a decent internet connection, and can talk to your computer without feeling too weird, this could be a super easy way to pad your bank account. Worst case, you waste 10 minutes. Best case, you treat yourself to that extra large pizza you totally weren't thinking about. If you found this helpful or just enjoyed laughing at my weird test stories, go ahead and smash that like button, Subscribe for more money-making experiments, and drop a comment if you've tried something like this. I read every single one, even the ones that roast me. Thanks for watching, and remember, if there's a weird way to make money online, you bet I'll try it. So you don't have to. Catch you in the next one.